Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. A very good morning to all of you. I am your chemistry teacher. Today we are going to discuss about trends of ionization potential from chapter number 3. First, we will explain that what is ionization potential. So, ionization potential is the minimum energy required to remove the valence electron from the outermost shell. ठीक है, outermost shell से जब हम electron remove करते हैं, valence electron remove करते हैं, उसके लिए जो energy required होती है, we call that energy as the ionization energy. Today we are going to discuss about the trends of ionization potential. The first one is in periods. In periods, when we move from left to right, the ionization energy increases. The ionization energy increases. Why the ionization energy increases when we move from left to right? Because of the some reasons. We will discuss about the reason one by one. It is when we move from left to right in a period. So ionization energy increases, and when we move from top to bottom in a groups, the ionization energy will be decreases. Increase in the nuclear charge from left to right. In a periods, the nuclear charge increases because of increase in the atomic number. ठीक है, हमारे पास न्यूक्लियर चार्ज क्या होता है, वो इंक्रीज़ होता है बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग द एटॉमिक नंबर, बिकॉज द electrons are added to the shell, so that's why the number of protons will also be increases. In the same number of electron will also be increases. What will happen then, that the nuclear charge will be increases, there will be the strong attraction between the protons and the electrons. Fine, so that's why from left to right the ionization energy will be increases. We will need the more energy to remove the valence electron from the outermost shell. The next one is the constant shielding effect. Constant shielding effect हमारे पास है next one. The shielding effect is constant throughout the period because the electron is added to the same shell, no increase in the number of shell. The shielding effect becomes same because when we move from left to right, what will happen, the shell remain the same, no increase in the number of the shell, so the electrons are added to the same shell. So that's why the ionization potential will be increases, and we need more ionization energy to remove the valence electron from the outermost shell. So when we move from left to right in a period, the shielding effect will be the constant, no increase in the number of shell, the electrons will be added in the same shell. That's why the ionization potential energy will be increases. The next one is the decrease in the atomic radius. Now from left to right, what will happen with atomic radius? The atomic radius decreases because there is no addition of the shells. ठीक है, हमारे पास number of shells same here, तो atomic radius will be same. ठीक है, atomic radius क्या है? The distance from the nucleus to the outermost shell is known as the atomic radius. Clear? So the atomic radius decreases because the nuclear charge increases. हमारे पास nuclear charge increase हो रहा है. ठीक है, the relationship between the nucleus and the outermost electron, it increases. ठीक है, attraction इन दोनों की क्या हो रही है, increase हो रही है. So the atomic radius will be decreases, so which pull the electrons closer to the nucleus. So when the atomic radius decreases, the nuclear charge will be the increases, and the nucleus pull the electrons closer towards it. Increased force of attraction. Now how the force of attraction increase? As we discussed that the nuclear charge increases, the nucleus will attract the electrons more closer to it, so it is also known as the force of attraction. So the force of attraction between the nucleus and the electrons increases due to the constant shielding effect. Why? Because constant shielding effect means the shielding effect is same, no increase in the number of shells, the electrons are added in the same shell. That's why the force of attraction also increase. So we need the more ionization energy or more ionization potential to remove the electron from the valence shell. Now if we talk about the ionization potential in the groups, so what will happen in the group when we move from top to bottom in the groups? ठीक है, जब हम ग्रुप्स में जाएं from top to bottom. Clear? So what will happen, the ionization potential decreases down the group. Down the group it decreases when we move from top to bottom. The next one is the increase in shielding effect. From top to bottom, the shielding effect increases because addition of new shells occur. हमारे पास number of shells it increases, so that's why the shielding effect increases. So when we move from top to bottom, what will happen? The ionization energy will be decreasing. So it will be easy to remove the valence electron from the outermost shell. ठीक है, because of the number of increasing in the shells and shielding effect increases down the group. Okay, shielding effect remain the same in the groups. क्लियर है, हमारे पास ग्रुप में जो है shielding effect it remain constant. ठीक है, and when we move from top to bottom, so increase in the shielding effect occur. So because of increase in the shielding effect, देखिए number of shell are increases. हाइड्रोजन में 1 shell, lithium 2 shells, sodium 3 shells and potassium have 4 shells. So the number of shells are increases from top to bottom. That's why the shielding effect also increases. So there is decrease in the ionization potential or ionization energy. And when we move from left to right, so the shielding effect remain the same because the number of shells are the same. If you see on the mobile screen that sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon, they all have same number of shells, so their shielding effect is constant, their shielding effect is same. So ionization energy it will be from left to right, it will be increases. Now if we talk about the increase in the atomic radius, atomic radius increases down the group. Increase in the atomic radius is because of the additions of shell. The atomic radius is increases down the group. ठीक है, down the group atomic radius क्या हो रहा है? Increase हो रहा है. Why it is increase? Because the number of shells are added. ठीक है, हमारे पास number of shells क्या हो रहे हैं? Increase हो रहे हैं. So because of the number of shells, the atomic radius will also be increases. So from when we talk about the ionization potential or ionization energy from top to bottom, so it will be decreases from top to bottom. We will require the less ionization energy to remove the electron from the outermost shell. Decrease in the force of attraction. Now from top to bottom in the groups, force of attraction of nucleus on electron decreases due to the more shielding effect. ठीक है, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन हमारे पास क्या हो रही है? फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस ऑन द इलेक्ट्रॉन डिक्रीजेज. हाँ, बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ शेल्स आर इंक्रीजेज. फाइन. सो द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द इनर शेल दे विल शील्ड द आउटर मोस्ट शेल और आउटर मोस्ट वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द attraction of nucleus. So that's why the force of attraction between the nucleus and the outermost electrons it is decreases. So because of decrease in the force of attraction, the ionization potential will also be decreases. It will be easy to remove the electron from the valence shell or outermost shell. I hope you all have understood the lecture. If you have any question, then you can ask in the lecture, and you can also take help from the YouTube lectures. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.